How's it going, everyone? It's time for a recap of the day trades we have taken this week. Up until this point, had some really nice trades, small account friendly. But as always, before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. For those of you that are in Team Bull or watch my Instagram lives that I do every morning, you know AMC has been paying us this week. And these bounce levels are key. Super easy to identify. Always feel free to reach out with any questions about them. But let's talk about the one we took today. Now, my watch list level says 16.9 or 16.8 for a bounce. I was going to pick up some 17 call options on AMC here in this bounce area, but I said it could pull back as far as that 16.68.7 area because there is support there and some area of confluence as well. That 16.9 was pre-market lows, close to that prior day close. A lot of stuff going on in this area. That's why I cannot stress it enough. A bounce number is not exact, it's an area. Not much pullback. Bounce around this 16.7, 16.8 area. I called this trade out on voice inside Team Bull. We got in here. Had a beautiful move up. I was mostly out of my position by this point here. It went, as you can see, climbed nearly all day, all the way up to a high of 18. Contracts move insane. Another 100% trade. Believe so. If it wasn't, it was very close to it, depending on which contracts you did grab. Another trade I took today was on PayPal. As you can see here, they had a nice push up after good earnings. So I was simply looking for a bounce at this 100 area to 99 area. Right in that, preferably off that 100, honestly. So let me go back to the 5-minute time frame. Let's talk about this bounce. Took some calls right here in this area. I believe I got in with the 102 calls. Got in here. Had a nice move up. I trimmed in this area. Then I was all out of my position when I seen this the volume dying down and it was hitting this level it had been struggling with before. Wasn't my best trade, but you know, not many places you can get 10 to 20, 30% return on your money within minutes, under an hour for sure. I want to talk about a trade that was on my watch list that I missed. I happened to be up making some food when it hit, but this was one of my favorite setups going into the day. Let me talk about why. First off, I was looking to catch Tesla off a bounce around this 902 to 903 area. It bounced at 903.5. Now let me tell you why I like this area so much. First off, you know, Tesla had some strength off during pre-market. So I was looking for a pullback. So when I'm looking for a pullback, I like to identify high probability bounce areas. I have videos on how to trade bounces, but what made me like this area so much, we had, you know, it was a support area, was what the stock closed at the day before, had that, and it was near this whole psychological number of 900. That's three things working in my favor, and I always let volume confirm these bounces. I just want to share that with you. I have been studying this trade today, how it worked, always trying to improve to make my call outs better and, you know, have better execution. I remember one of the things I struggled with most when I was a new trader was my execution. And what it was, I was focusing too much on profits or my gains. If you're struggling with the same, if you can lower your position size and focus entirely on your execution rather than your profits, it's going to help you improve that. It's going to help you pay closer attention to the bid and ask, the way you're selling, the way you're managing your stop loss, and that's how you're going to improve. But I like to keep these videos short. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you're not in Team Bull and you would like to join, you can go to my link or in the description. Join there. Come trade with me every morning. If you want some free game, check out my Instagram lives every morning, 8:30 EDT. Hope you all enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time.